Hey, here's a quick tutorial on how to make a 14-ounce sea moss. Open your just beaded dry sea moss pack and take out a handful. Place the dry sea moss in a bowl, and we're going to cover the sea moss with water, running your fingers through it if it's clumped together, making sure the water covers the sea moss. Now we're going to soak it for 6 to 8 hours. And when it's done, it should look like this. Pour out the water, and now it's time to wash your sea moss. Using warm water, rinse the sea moss and run your fingers through each strand, making sure to get all the sand and debris. Once it's clean, measure out 2 cups of clean sea moss. Now rinse your 2 cups of sea moss with really hot water. The hot water is going to make the moss start to turn to gel. Here's a close-up of what it should look like. Add your moss to a blender. Pour in 14 ounces of alkaline spring water and blend on high for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you can add whatever flavoring you would like. I'm adding a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon and blending for 15 more seconds on low. Pour the moss into a mason jar or a container of your choosing and let it sit out on the counter covered for 15 minutes. And then refrigerate and enjoy.